God, what are you doing? Eponine, have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
Eponine, what's wrong? I feel there's something wet on your hair. Eponine, you're hurt. You need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
Will live, Eponine, dear God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. Don't you fret, Marius, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now.
I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you will keep me
Stay with
safe,
you till
and
you
you
are
will keep me
free.
close. And rain
And rain
will make the
will make
flowers
flowers